Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the company Twsbi, T-W-S-B-Y-I, can't spell, T-W-S-B-I, and their Eco Fountain Pen. So let's go ahead and unbox this first. And for those of you that know about fountain pens, this is a pretty neat unboxing here. It's not like most of them that you just get the pen in a cellophane wrapper. So there we have the instruction manual. We have some nice silicone grease that's really not needed. It's pretty rarely that you need to lube that plunger. A sticker notification on the outside says no alcohol. We have the wrench to take the piston apart, and then the instructions on how to take the piston out and to lube it, and how to, of course, fill your ink bottle up, or your pen up with ink out of the bottle. So this is telling you no alcohol on the outside. And here's the pen. It's a blue limited edition. I thought it was pretty neat. I like limited stuff. So that's the main reason why I got this. Maybe someday it'll be worth a lot. Really fits nice in the hand. The pen posts on the end. There's the logo, the Twsbi logo. There's the plunger in action. And there's the nib. My nib, I opted for bold. I like bold on my pens. I don't like writing with little fine, tiny things. So that's our unboxing. So the Twsbi fountain pen is loved for the high quality and affordability, offering advanced filling mechanisms normally reserved for much more expensive fountain pens. The Twsbi Eco, short for economy or economical, provides the same high quality, high capacity piston filler as the Twsbi Diamond 580 at a much lower price. And I'd like to add, I also purchased the 580, so I'll have that review next. Might do a comparison of the two. We'll see how it turns out, but we'll definitely do a review of the 580. It features a sleek, transparent barrel and a hexagonal screw-on cap that can be posted or put on the end of the cap securely on the back of the pen. The piston filling mechanism is easily operated by twisting the knob at the end of the barrel counterclockwise to extend the piston, submerging the nib into ink, then screwing the knob tight to retract the piston, drawing ink into the pen straight from the bottle. There is no need for cartridges or converters. Be careful operating the piston while the ink is in the pen, as something will cause to leak out of the pen. What I do is, my trick, if there is any tricks involved, is I'll pull the ink back into the pen, then I start to screw until 1 to 2 drops come out of the pen. That's kind of important, otherwise you're going to create a vacuum and you're going to have the ink not being able to flow. So, in keeping with the philosophy of promoting the traditional experiences of using a fountain pen, Twsbi has redesigned the pen to be completely self-serviceable. It comes with a wrench and a vial of silicone grease that you can use at home maintenance. And here's a close-up of a fine nib. I again opted for the bold nib. The fountain pen's material is a resin. The nib size comes in extra fine, fine, medium, broad, and 1.1 stub, and the nib is actually, the material is steel. It is postable. Again, you can put the cap on the end of the pin. Trim on this is bronze. Let's see, the overall weight is 13 grams. The weight of the cap is 8 grams. The weight overall is 21 grams. So, that's my video on the Twsbi Eco. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.